Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I am on the road. I'm actually in San Diego right now and I have a very interesting hotel room. I'm going to put up a picture. Hopefully I'll remember to put this overlay what I'm about to say. A picture I took when I got into the room. But to my left right now, and hopefully the picture is going to go up now, my bathroom door is actually a vault door. Now, there's actually a door within the bathroom. That's the real bathroom door, but this used to be a bank, I guess. And so they never took out this vault door, so there's actually a vault door in my hotel room. Quite interesting. Never seen that before. So, I don't know. Kind of enjoy that. Have a little bit of a charm to the room. I brought my I brought my stand in and everything. I brought my mic, but I forgot my keyboard. So unfortunately the camera is going to be a little bit lower than what it usually is, and I should just check quick. And yeah, it looked like I'm in there, and my mic got a little screwed up in OBS. It always happens if I move for some reason. I don't know why, but it does. So yeah, I'm in San Diego. I'm actually out here for VS Live, but I came out a couple days early just to have a vacation to myself, to have some fun, to relax, to enjoy time by myself. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the hotel that VS Live is at because TwitchCon is going on out here. I don't know how many people I saw walking around tonight with the purple badge thingies on, but I don't know if it's at the hotel that I'm supposed to go to or what, but they didn't have any rooms, so I'm here at the courtyard, which gave me the vault bathroom door, so I can't complain too much. But yeah, I'm just out here relaxing. I plan to go to Midway, which went to last year. Really cool, but want to spend more time just walking around everywhere and going through all of the ship as much as I can, and really enjoy it. And my boys went with my wife last year. I think it's like I don't know if it's a Armed Forces base, Marine base, but it's like almost like a historical museum. And I couldn't go because I was speaking, but they were there. And it was really cool, so I'm going to hopefully check that out either Saturday or Sunday. But while I'm out here, I figured I'm going to do some recording. Because why not? And what am I going to record on? Well, Rocks is released, so that's good. In fact, let's just check here. Let's just see and go NuGet.org Rocks. And you can see I've got a whole 19 downloads right now. Run, don't walk to your nearest NuGet server and play with Rocks, because why not? So I have this out here available. It's now targeting .NET Core 3 is now a thing that is officially released. So I pushed this version out here because Rocks has really been my primary package, my primary code base to play with C#8, .NET Core 3, kick the tires on it and see what it's like. So that's out there. So what I want to do is a couple of other projects. And I have to admit, I went to a bar for dinner, and I've had a couple of beers. But I'm an adult and I drink responsibly, which means I didn't drive anywhere, which is good. Just so I actually went down the street, more or less, and went to some bar, and they had the Packers-Eagles game on, which the Packers lost. I don't watch football that much anymore. By saying that much anymore, I mean I don't watch it at all. It's just not something I'm interested in anymore. But being a Wisconsin native, growing up in Wisconsin, even though I live in Minnesota, you're a Packers fan, whether you want to be or not. And so I watched the game and got a little bit into it, but to be honest, it's like, they lost. So what? 20, 30 years ago, I used to be furious. I would get so mad if they lost. I was like living and dying by this team. And why? Who cares? You know, if they lose, big deal. If they win, big deal. I mean, how does that affect me? How's it? Yeah, yeah. But it was fun watching it. So had my food, had my drink, and I'm back. And what I'm going to do is update EditorConfigGenerator. But what I just realized is when I came over here is I have this trying buildalizer again. And apparently I don't know how well buildalizer is working for me because it's been a very long time since I ran this project. So we're going to see if this actually even runs. My 665, I got to make one more test. I got to. Because, you know, 666 numbers matter. This hotel does not have a 13th floor. That bugs me. When I go to a hotel and there is no 13th floor, I'm like, really? How is that even a thing? Who cares? I mean, we're living in 2019. How do we still have hotels or buildings that do not have a 13th floor? It's stupid. Okay? Stupid. All right. Yeah. All right. So that seemed to work. So we're going to, I think, do that and then that. And I don't know how well this is going to work. Because I remember buildalizer was trying its darndest to work. And it just, oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, where is that going? Wait, Jason. Holy cow. Okay, there we go. So I don't have anything in here to do it. Yeah, it's going to download all of these Git repos. And I'm at a hotel where the connectivity is not the greatest. So, wow, this could take a lot of time. I did not plan on this for happening. But if I remember right, from where I made this branch, I'm not even referencing it. But I'm probably referencing it here. Yeah, buildalizer. And I did this because of all the weirdness with projects and solutions and, you know, all the junk. And I thought, give it another try. And I don't even know if I have over here like a let's try it one more time. And I don't think I do. So, oh God, how do I stop this? Well, I can just say stop. Okay, that works. You know what? We're just going to go to master. What are you doing? Why? What is this? Well, what? I don't know what I'm doing. Why is this like this? You know what? We're gonna do it. Notepad. And I gotta close that because you can't see that. That's okay because that just talks about my episodes. We're gonna put that there, and we're gonna say, you know what? Undo this. Whatever it was. You know, and then we're gonna just go to master. Okay. And there you go. I don't really know if there's any difference between this, is there? No, there shouldn't be. Okay. Okay. And if because then, so what, you know what, we're going to just say, over here, we're going to go to EditorConfigGenerator, and we're just going to kill that branch. We're going to say, I wish they had a delete here. Like, you actually have to go to the branch, and then you have to say delete it, and delete it on the remote. And let's go back to go hotel Wi-Fi. Come on, you can do it. you know, the world is, oh, thank you. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to update this to 3.0. Okay, but we're going to do this officially, which is I'm going to come here and say we're going to update this for .NET Core 3.0. Self-explanatory. Submit new issue. Oh, I guess I should assign it myself, and I should say it's a enhancement. I don't need help. Milestone. You know, I really should do this, but you know, I'm on vacation. We're gonna make a new branch with 33 in there, and we're gonna say, should I do this over here? You know, I'm gonna do it here because why not? We're gonna say 33 underscore update for .NET Core 3. I think that's a good name. Do you think that's a good name? That's a great name. It's a wonderful name. You get a little animated one, you know, a little bit more loose off the tongue when you have had a couple of drinks. Is that what they call Balmer's Peak? I think it is. Okay, so what is this now? This is 2.0. We're going to make this 2.1. Language version is that. I don't know why that's there. I don't know why that's there. We're going to move that there. We're going to get rid of this space because, you know, spaces are bad. We know this. And we're going to put in here, because I'm a glutton for punishment, we're going to use the newest C sharpness. Okay? So, let's see if I say Shift F6. Lots of things broke. Lots of things. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be awesome, because I have to figure this out without, you know, like thinking. Okay, we're going to come back to the informational messages where we have cannot convert null. Oh yeah, so a lot of these I bet should be, if I remember right, what this is saying, cannot convert null literal to a non-nullable reference type. Expression body data, what is that? That is a class, so that could be null. So why is it saying if it is null? And by the way, I've just found out if you want to do a check to say is not null, do that. I know that looks really, really weird, but apparently that's the new hotness. Now, syntax node, is that a, what is that? That is a class. So I'm not sure why it's not doing it here. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we got another one down here. That's right. These are all the things I remember from rocks, which is you basically are saying, just cast it. Cast the damn thing. Okay? Or not. Why can't I? Converting null literal, possible null reference. Well, I know it's not null. There you go. Oh. So what we should say is that. I wonder if that just magically goes that away. Probably not. Ooh. Spooky. Spooky. And, okay, again, I'm going to stress for like the millionth time. This is what, you see this right here? This thing that I'm pointing at? Well, the thing that's highlighted? Tests. This is why I can do what I'm doing here, because I have tests. And hopefully they're going to find problems if I've been stupid enough to write bad code. Okay? Not to say unit tests are a, you know, it covers everything, but it should help. So is that. Okay. And then we want to say that, right? Because we're just saying throw it to the wind. Or Is it because we're saying that, yeah, I forgot, how did I do this in rocks? Am I saying, you know what? Okay, we're going to go to the Magenics. Magenic.com. Because let's just advertise my employer. Oh, they got the thinking link up in the front. That's good. That's good. Yeah, where is my article? It's going to be up here somewhere. It's going to be here somewhere. It's going to be the whole thing. Because I talk about this explicitly, and I know this. And I could probably just find the article on my machine. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that face. Look at that. Look, I mean, isn't this what people think? Well, there you go. There, this guy. You know, when you're writing nulls. Okay, so I think I have equals. Yeah. If statement. So my recommendation here. So let's follow what Jason said. Which Jason said, what you should do is that, because you don't know if that's going to come in as false. And then what I could do is, what I could do is take that and then this and then that as this, right? And then that's okay. Good. Okay, what else do I got? 32. 32 is null. Bye bye. Is yoink. Go away. Oh, we got the equal stuff. Interesting stuff. Things. Okay, we got to go up. Got to go up. See, my keyboard's a lot quieter when I do this. And then we need to say that. Okay. No, not that. There. Okay, there. Is, and then I bet this is a is JavaScript code. Yeah, so a lot of this is repeating, but that's good. Repeating your successes or your failures, depending, you know, fun for the whole family. So we're going to come up over here. Oh my God. Oh, you know, I'm getting expired. Let's close that. And let's say change all hash code implementations to use hash code.combine. Okay, so we're not going to save that, but we're going to remember that because I want to change all that down there. That's just wrong. I should not do that. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. What I should do is, well, I'm going to have to think about that. Oh, what are you suggesting here? What are you suggesting? You're saying uses null check. Oh. But shouldn't it be that? I think that's what they're saying. It should be that. All right. Yes, is null. And then we're going to have to make that a that, and then come up here, and then we're going to make it equatable that does that, and then we need to come down here and say is yoink. Okay, and I really don't know if this is going to work, but you know that's the fun of life, is just to try stuff, right? Just trust what you read on Twitter, because dear God, that is the source of truth, just like Wikipedia. Okay. And then that all goes away, and then we're saying is that, and is that. Very good. That's interesting. So if I go here and I say test that, okay, they like disappeared and then they came back again. I don't get that. I don't understand that. Okay, so go there. Well, I'm just basically saying assume that, right? But I can't do that. I got to put all that around there. And then, well, I got to do the same thing, right? I got to do this. And then, there we go. And it's just that simple. Okay. And then we have to do the same thing. I don't know if this is actually necessary. It should tell me if there's like too many parentheses. And it should say you have too many parentheses. Okay. What is this? What is this? Converting null literal or possible null value to non-nullable type. I guess it is possible to come out here and not be, yeah, because you could be. That's interesting. That's interesting because what I wonder if I could just do name of action and then name of func. But that doesn't work, except if I do that. But even then it doesn't work. I think I may have debated this in my head. Yeah, you have to give it a generic, and I don't want to give it a generic, so we're just going to stick with that, because that works. Okay. Alright. Close that. We're already at 22 minutes. It's like I already have a whole episode. Okay, what's the problem here? That's right. You're just assuming that it is. So we're going to do that, right? Yeah, that gets rid of that. Okay. Same thing here. We take that off of there, and then we go there. And add nauseum. Right? Wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why are you return identifier is that. Yeah. So what I need to also find is non-equal to null. We want to remove those. Okay. What's the problem here? Dereference. How do you know this? That's weird. I didn't think it knew that about arrays. Like how that you could declare arrays and that it would not assume that it knew. I guess what I'm saying is I know better. Okay. I know better. No. I know better, and I know better. I like telling the compiler that I know better. Where's this coming? Where's the error now? It's kind of weird because it's not. Oh, there. See, using nodes. What is using nodes? Oh, I'm saying it could be that. What I should say is selected as that. And I'm being very explicit. So now these should go away, right? And then I don't need these anymore. Very clever girl. Clever girl. All right. Let's build this again. Now it's exceeded. Okay, that's okay. So now let's come into our test project, and we're going to make this a .NET Core 3.0 app. And we're going to make lang version latest. And we're going to do that, not that, because we don't need that anymore. And what do I want? I want nullable enable. Okay. We're going to also have to update the versions of things. But we're going to just do this for now and see what breaks. 250 freaking errors. Oh. Oh. Yes. I'm basically trying to say in my test, do that. Because I want you to do that. And then here I'm saying I know it's that. And I know I want to pass it a null. And I know I want to do this. Oh dear God. You know, I love nullable reference types. I really, really do. But for applications that are currently out there, you're going to have to struggle through a lot of changes. They're changes for the good, though. They're good. They're good changes. They're things that you should have probably been doing all along. You just didn't know it. It's like you're a poet and you didn't know it. Dad jokes happen a lot if you've had a couple of drinks. Alright. So, yeah, we want to force a null in there and say, yes, you did the wrong thing. And we're going to say, just, oh, no, I want to, no, come back here. Yeah. These are these little cases where it's like I'm trying to force something that I know you don't like it to be forced, but just, you know, let it go. Let it go. So you know what? This could possibly get really boring watching me change all this code. Maybe. Possibly. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the rest of these errors, okay, and I'm going to fix them all. And then in the next episode, we're going to run the tests, see what fails, fix any of the things I just mentioned, and then we're going to push this out as a package. We're going to have to update the version. Is it a breaking version? It's not. It feels like I should update it, but it's not a breaking version. It's just it's a change to a runtime target. So should I change the update? Because is that breaking? Does it break people? That's a philosophical question that I can't figure out right now. But you know what? I got 200 things to just screw around with. So I'm going to fix those. And then we're going to come back, and maybe if I get all this done, I will tackle iron befunge. Maybe tonight. We'll see. So that's all the time I got for right now. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.